Let's talk corporate numbers now. Jain Irrigation posted a good set of earnings, especially at the revenue level. Margins too were intact. Profit after tax was also aided by lower finance cost and lower depreciation. Anil Jain, Managing Director of Jain Irrigation Systems, has joined us now. Good morning, Mr. Jain. Thanks much. Let me start with the top line. Revenues up 10% in fourth quarter. Can you give us an idea of how early FY18 is shaping up? What is the order book looking like?
Good morning. Order book, in fact, for us is quite strong. I mean, we never had this size of order book at the start of the year.
How much?
It's almost crossing about 2,000 crores.
Wow.
And that includes more than 1,000 crores related to projects in the irrigation business. So, you know, we're looking forward to a very, very strong 18.
Okay, order book of 2,000 crores, that's quite impressive, Mr. Jain. Can you tell us what the growth was, especially in the MIS business, and what can we expect in FY18?
In the MIS business, fourth quarter grew very strong, almost close to 22% in the fourth quarter. And this happened despite the demonetization, etc., and its after impact. So we're quite pleased with that. And I think with the kind of order book we have on the project side and underlying positive current on the retail business as well, we would expect micro irrigation business for the entire year for FY18 to grow north of 20%.
Okay. All right. Just a niggling problem on your debt.
Yeah.
What was it and how much have you reduced long-term and short-term, if you have?
So compared to December quarter, we have reduced the debt in the last fourth quarter almost by 550 crores.
Oh.
So that's a massive reduction. And if you look at our debt now, it's close to 3,900 crore at gross level and 3,600 crores at a net level. So, you know, now our equity or shareholder funds are about 4,000 crores. So debt to equity is less than 1.
Very comfortable.
And if you even look at debt to EBITDA, it's, our EBITDA has crossed 1,000 crores now. So it's 3.6 on a net debt basis. And we expect in the current year that FY18, our debt to EBITDA, we plan to bring it down to, let's say, closer to 3 or less than 3 or around that. So we have improved quite a lot, and it's very comfortable, but we would continue the deleveraging process.
Okay. You know, you were telling us that MIS business in FY18 could be north of 20%.
Yeah.
Are we looking at this 20% growth for the next few years? Because the government's thrust on micro irrigation has gone up significantly in the past 6-8 months, you know, with the irrigation fund from NABARD at almost 5,000 crores and a whole host of other schemes as well. So is this 20% growth in MIS something that you can sustain over the next couple of years?
Yeah, I believe this is a multi-year growth opportunity, and there are 3 reasons. One, which you mentioned already, that government has already identified about 80 to 100,000 crore rupees to be spent on various irrigation projects, and everything has been identified, funds have been allocated. This has to be only implemented over the next 2 to 3 years. At the state level, we are seeing individual states also pushing a lot more on micro irrigation. And third, we are finding more and more farmers, especially coming up generation of farmers, wanting to do farming on the business side. So they are willing to invest into new technologies, automation within drip irrigation, which allows us to distinguish ourselves from a lot of other competitors.
Okay. Well, finally, any update on the receivables from the government? How were they and how is it now?
Our receivables have, in fact, improved almost close to by 15 days in terms of days outstanding sales. So even on that front, there is improvement.
Okay. Mr. Jain, it was a pleasure speaking with you as always. Thank you very much.